Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have something pretty rare that you really won't come across much anymore. This is the 2016 Volvo S60 Cross Country. So this you're not gonna see really anywhere else. I was getting a weird noise turning right, which is a little peculiar. Could have to do with the rust, but it is what it is. Also, that's sketchy. Plate placement, it's fine. This thing's going to auction. It's fine. And it's on studded tire. Not the perfect example, but you're not gonna find another. Well, I can't really find another one. I forgot these existed. 2.5 liter turbo inline 5. Not sure how strong the engine is, so I won't be pushing it to its limits. And you also get the occasional warning, no oil pressure, stop engine. But it seems like it's just a bad sensor because it's got oil in it and it's got pressure. So, into drive. Let's take this thing for a drive. I always forget how torquey these 5 cylinders. You're fine. Thank you. I always forget how torquey these 5 cylinders are. They are pretty torquey. Shut up. You've got oil pressure. And it comes on for like 2 seconds, then goes away. If you ever wondered how loud studded tires are, now you know. These are good little studded tires too, not bad studs. You know, it sounds like an airplane in economy class. What kind of sounds like to me? Studded tires are excellent for cornering grip. Those studs dig right into the pavement. Sarcasm, people. Sarcasm. You know, I do miss the days of putting 5 cylinders. We got a 5-cylinder Jetta in front of us. I miss the days of 5 cylinders. Now you got the RS3, and that's really the only one I know of. Well, and you have some cars in Europe too, but we don't get cars in Europe in the US. You have oil pressure. You know what? If you can't tell, this is kind of like a fun, just joking video because the car's not perfect. I just wanted to film it because I don't know the next time I'll get the chance. This kind of gives you a brief overview of what this car is like to drive, what it feels like, what it looks like. While also providing a nice little evening of entertainment, shall we say. You know, I will say, driving on studded tires, I could see it being very easy to fall asleep. Because this produces just a nice hum. That's an awful noise. You have oil pressure. Car, you have oil pressure. You're okay. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.